Hey, this is Reginald Perryman with RegiusRealEstate.com. So today I want to speak to all the home sellers who are procrastinating about putting their homes on the market. And this has more to do with preparing your home to sell, because a lot of sellers that I met with back in May and June, they want to list their homes, but they're trying to make the homes perfect before they put the home on the market. Well, here's the thing. The home will never be perfect because your taste is not going to be the same as another buyer's. And what I mean is, I have sellers that want to do things like paint or change the floor tile or change the carpet before they put the home on the market. Although those things will help with the market appeal of the property, but they don't always add value. The most important thing in 2020 I want you to keep in mind is that we learned this year that tomorrow things can change overnight, in a week. We don't want to be caught in a shift because you wanted to paint and 95% of the buyers are going to come in and change the color anyway. So in this market, we are in a strong seller's market, and we have been lucky for majority of the year because in some areas there's 10 to 15 buyers for every home. With that type of competition, buyers are overlooking some of the minor details like painting and things of that nature because there's not a lot of competing properties on the market. You have 10 or 15 buyers, they're going to buy what's available on the market right now. So keep that in mind. I don't want you to be a seller that's waiting for a contractor 3 weeks from now to come out and replace some floor tile, only to find out the buyer's going to rip it up after closing, and you decide to list your home a month or 2 months from now because you're waiting on these minor repairs so that you can list your home, and then the market shifts within that 2 months. I have to quote Jim Rohn when he says, "Do not major in the minors." This is Reginald Perryman with RegiusRealEstate.com.